Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Telegram without using your personal phone number, using the latest method that works in 2024. This is super useful if you want to stay anonymous or just don't want to share your number. Let's get started. When you first open the Telegram app and tap on Start Messaging, it asks you to enter your phone number. But what if you don't want to use your real number? That's where virtual numbers come in. These are free numbers available online that you can use temporarily to receive SMS codes. To get one, simply open your browser and go to Google. Search for free virtual number for SMS, and you'll find several websites that provide temporary phone numbers. Choose any of the trusted sites from the list. Just make sure it looks secure and active. Once you're on the website, scroll through the available numbers. You'll see different phone numbers along with recent messages they've received. For example, click on any number that looks active, one that's recently received messages from services like WhatsApp, Telegram, or Tinder. Then copy that number using the copy icon or simply highlight and copy it manually. Now go back to the Telegram app and paste the number into the phone number field. Tap Next to request the verification code. While Telegram is sending the code, go back to the virtual number website and refresh the page. Within a few seconds or minutes, you should see a new SMS message from Telegram containing your code. Copy that code from the website, return to Telegram, and paste it in. And just like that, you're in. You now have access to Telegram without ever using your personal number. And that's it. This is the simplest and most updated way to use Telegram in 2024 without linking it to your phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.